Tama ako habang naghuhugas ako, di ba? Natapos ko nang basahin yung book na Powerful. Oh my gosh, I swear talaga. Hindi ko in-expect na like ganun siya. I mean, alam kong ganun siya kasi binasa ko yung Powerless. Hindi siya part ng Powerless trilogy, pero it's like a separate story na story ni Adina, yung best friend ni Payden. And then yung Powerless naman is yung kay Payden, okay? Pwede ba ako mag-spoil? Gusto ko kasi magdaldal. I love how it's written, sa totoo lang. I mean, parang magkaiba kasi silang vibes, you know? Kasi si Payden, kasi si Kai, tapos si Kit. Not gonna lie, guys. Nung nagbabasa akong Powerless, I'm kinda rooting for Kit. Pero not sa buong ano, kasi crush ko si Kai, oh my gosh. Pero alam mo si Kit, ang very sunshine energy, ang very golden retriever energy niya. Kilala naman natin si Kai, di ba? Si Kai kasi, kinilig. Malakay Azur, wow. Same si Kai at siyang si Makoto. Imaginein mo, if hindi namatay si Adina, magbabanding yung dalawa. I'm hoping si Mac nasa Fearless. Na-build na ni Lauren yung character ni Mac. And ayaw naman natin siya na maging waste, diba? I'm not gonna lie, I don't think the story was rushed. Hindi siya rushed for me. Ang ganda ng pagka-timing niya and all. So, ayun na nga. Nabasa ko na rin yung Reckless, guys. Oh my gosh! Alam, nakikilig ako. Kung yung Powerless, nag-revolve siya dun sa trials, yung Reckless is nag-revolve naman siya sa habulan ng dalawa. Like, literal habulan, you know? Under na si Payden. Kakatapos pa lang ng Hope Beyond Borders 2025. And I'm so happy kasi it's still the same nung 2024. The smiles, the joy, the giving of hope, diba? Madami akong nag-gather na donations, and monetarily and also in kind. Madaming nagbigay ng clothes, ng toys, and also cash. I'm also kind of proud kasi like this year, well not this year, 2025 I mean, 2025, madaming nag-donate na kakilala ko in some way. Like, kilala ko talaga, you know. Let's say, schoolmate or ano, a teacher or someone. Basta, like, mga kakilala ko talaga. Mga acquaintances, friends, classmates. And noong 2024, puro nag-donate kasi strangers. Alam niyo naman ako, nasa Stanford ako. And doon ako nakagather ng donations. Thank you so much sa mga engines and carrots. Also, yung mga commissions. Thank you so much sa kanila. Sila yung first na nagtiwala sa akin. Pero not gonna lie, I feel like Hope Beyond Borders 2025 is more of a long project. Kasi parang ako talaga yung doble kayod din eh, you know? With the gathering of donations and all that. Kasi talagang I was low-key panicking. Kasi I thought, onti lang makukuha kong donations this year. Tapos yun pala, you know, if it's God's will, it will be. And also, it's the new year. Ang ating New Year's resolution is gusto ko mag-save up ng money for either DJI Osmo Pocket 3 or Insta360 Go Ultra. Hindi pa ako sure kung ano ang mas maganda sa kanila. Kasi may mga nakikita ko, ito mas maganda, ito mas maganda. I don't know. Kaya, magwe-wait ako when the time comes. Pero right now, mag-iipon na ako. Which is kinda hard. Kasi ang New Year's resolution ko, well, isa sa New Year's resolution ko, is mag-eat ako sa karinderya for the whole life. You know, healthy living. And actually, ginagawa ko na siya last year. Siguro 2 months, November and December. Pero ngayon talaga, gusto ko talaga mag-lock in, you know? Kasi totoo naman, you can start whenever. Pero ang New Year kasi, parang binibigyan ka ng incentive, right? Jumpstart, reset, gano'n. Pakadal-dal ko, no? Anyway, I'm also, at the moment, I'm also voting for Enhypen on GDA. Grabe guys, grabe yung kayod ko rin dito. Kasi I have multiple accounts, kaya talagang, hindi tayo magpapatalo. And actually, fun fact, kailan ba to? I think after pandemic, mga 2022, sa old account ko, instantly, nag-open ako ng Enhypen voting team. And medyo successful siya actually. Nakalimutan ko ng anong voting yon, pero since siya, online classes pa ata kami, talagang very active ako. Kasi syempre, online classes, yun lang naman yung nagagawa ko. I was a co-founder and also one of the admins. Tanda ko pa yung mga mga ibang admins doon. I-reveal ko ba? Kasi display name lang naman yun eh. Hindi naman literal sila. Ako ang co-founder. Yung isa is si Ellie. And then, ang next naman si Ate Denay. Which is actually funny. Kasi kapag may nagkaka-problem sa voting team namin, like mali yung na-vote, edi mag-message ako like, alam mo yung like, calm and collected. Tapos si Ate, siya, yung parang good cop, bad cop. And also, I made a friend there. Ang pangalan niya, Irdina. Malaysian yata. Nakalimutan ko na. Si Irdina. Same silang profile picture ni Ellie dati. And meron din si Leia Lee. Diba? I still remember. 3 bibe daw kami. Hulaan nyo na lang kung sino ako doon. And now, I'm starting it again. Well, not officially yung voting team na yun mismo. Kasi talagang iba na yun, wasak na yun, posted na yun. We can't handle everything. I was getting busy na rin kasi sa schoolworks nun. And also, sa YouTube ko, update? 2025 recap habang naguhugas. Sa YouTube ko, we have reached, I think, 390 subscribers. Yay! Congrats to me! I actually started it for memories lang sana. What if seryosohin natin to, diba? And sineryoso ko na ba? Well, sineryoso ko nung last month ng 2025. This year, I also want na maging consistent ako in uploading. Yung parang every week may vlog. Actually guys, look ang lips ko. Maganda ba yung lippy? Siya, Romand. Nasa showcase ko. So, check the description below for my TikTok account. Open nyo, tapos nasa showcase ko lang yan. Diba? Ang very, siya, matte. Yeah. And at first, actually, hindi ko siya nagustuhan. Hindi ako sanay sa texture ng matte, so I don't do matte. Pero nung na-wear ko na to, I'm like, okay na to. Diba? Like, I can purchase again, diba? Also, sa Instagram ko, I'm still active there. Sa Harulin. And I'm getting brand deals. And actually, yung mga pinapadala nila, I really like it. As in, like, hiyang siya sa skin ko, which is nakakagulat. And actually, I thought palpak na ako sa local brands dito sa Pilipinas. Pero turns out, there is something more waiting talaga. Kasi nga, there is a time for everything. Ecclesiastes chapter 3 verse 1. There is a time for everything and a season of activities under the heavens. Kasi totoo yung there is a time for everything. Siya talaga ang aking number 1 motto ko. Like talaga. As in, yung tipong if may ipapapatato ka, diba? Yun ang ipapatato ko. Pero hindi ako magpapatato. God's rejection is not rejection lang. It's redirection, guys. Siyempre, there are times kapag emotionally distressed talaga tayo, hindi na natin naiisip yung hindi natin naging optimistic. And turns out, yung option yung binigay sa atin ni Lord, like yung redirection na yun yung mas better, diba? Kasi it's also God's protection. What's the harm in trying? Diba? Kasi parang bingo card lang yan eh. You get my point. Parang siyang reach for the moon. If hindi ka man makapunta sa moon, maglaland ka sa stars. At least, Mas worse kasi if magsistay ka sa current situation mo. Diba? Imagine niyo yan. There is no such thing in life that's constant. Ang hirap if like hindi ka nag-grow. Kasi, like kahit with mistakes, if wala kang mistakes, anong ginagawa mo, girl? Kasi you need mistakes to grow. Diba? Pero hindi naman ibig sabihin na puro pagkakamali gagawin mo, ha? Kasi mistakes is for learning, and then learning is for your self-growth. After all, yan ang life. It's all about mistakes, it's all about learning, it's all about the journey. Hala, kanina pang yaw-yaw na storm. Crazy ko. Pero no, kasi isa din sa New Year's resolution ko to have a healthy lifestyle. Ay guys, may isa pa sa New Year's resolution ko, pero ayoko siyang sabihin out loud kasi baka ma-pressure ako. Pero I will do it talaga. I swear. This year is the year. Hindi nga, like I said, go ka lang ng go. Kasi okay lang yung ng mistakes. Kung anong gusto mong gawin, gawin mo. As long as it doesn't harm you or others, diba? Basta this year is about focusing. This year is about locking in. I also removed my nail polish na ito yung dati kong nails. Ayan. Kasi graduation pictorial. And yung theme ko is denim and pink. Kasi Y2K. Ito yung next kong nail polish. And I think bagay siya sa akin. Girl, ginawa ko yung spaghetti trend. Yung ganito. Ayun. And then, nung nagganyan ako sa camera, ang ganda ng nails ko, tapos yung red kong top. Ito yung video. Guys, Stranger Things, oh my gosh. Ang pogi ni Vecna, number 1. I don't know why, pero like, alam niyo, hindi siya pogi. Pero like, pogi siya. I think it's because of his charisma. Hindi siya yung, alam mo yung may ibang actors na mas pogi sa kanya, right? I think it's his face. Like, yung kontrabida look. Parang kasi siyang bad boy type, right? So, poging-pogi talaga ako na. Pero before, di ko inisip na crush ko siya. Napugian ako sa kanya. Then ngayon, crush ko na siya, yeah. Ito naman iwawash natin. Last one for today. Yeah, we're done. Thank you so much for watching my TED Talk. All cleaned up. And then also this one. Nalinis ko na yung ref kasi kanina may mga black spots siya. Kaya talagang pinagtsagaan ko. Pinunasan ko yan, guys. And now, dito na naman tayo. Babalik na tayo dito. Gusto niyo mo ba mabasa yan? Ito kasi yung bucket list naming roommates. And this one is, don't ghost your goal. What a blessing it is to be overwhelmed by things that you prayed for. Ayan, so always be grateful, guys. Kahit you think na parang everything is going wrong, you once prayed na nasa situation ka or like nasa position ka na ganun, diba? And then I have 4 Bible verses. Praise be to the Lord, to God, our Savior, who daily bears our burdens. And then, itong orange naman is, with God, all things are possible, which is cute. Alam ko na yung verse na yan, pero di ko alam yung exact verse. Like, Matthew chapter 19, verse 26. Naglalakad ako pa uwi. You know, I'm deep in my thoughts. Kaya nag-iisip-isip ako. You know, nagwa-what if ako. And then, nung naglalakad ako sa sidewalk, may car na nakapark. So, eto ako. Gusto kong i-describe sa inyo, ha. Eto ako. Tapos, ito yung sidewalk. Ayan. So, straight yan. And then, may car na nakapark dito. So, naglalakad ako. Tapos, nakita ko yung car. Tapos, pagtingin ko, kasi magsasalamin ako, hello. Pagtingin ko, nakita ko, naka-paste doon as sticker is Matthew chapter 19 verse 26. Yun lang nakalagay. Walang nakalagay na words or anything. Yun lang talaga nakalagay. And so, naisip ko, Matthew chapter 19 verse 26. answer ba yan? So like, ina-overthink ko. So umuwi na ako dito and then nag-google ako. Matthew chapter 19 verse 26. And it's this one. With God, all things are possible. There is no one holy like the Lord. There is no one besides you. There is no rock like our God. Sa Bible app. Yeah, sa Bible app ko siya nakita. I love this. Possible ba? May cute na Bible verse. Ang cute talaga na ito, I swear. Blessed is she who has believed that the Lord would fulfill His promises to her. Luke chapter 1 verse 45. Diba? Ang very cute. And also, my prayer journal. So, I have this prayer journal since 2025. So, ang first entry ko is May 29, 2020. 2024? Oh my gosh, I can't believe it has been that long. Okay, May 29, 2024. Nakasulat dyan is keep on going, never give up. Parang kung nagbibentang notebook. Meron ako dito 2 verse. Well, 3. Pero dito sa site ito 2. There is a time for everything and the season for every activity under the heavens. Ecclesiastes chapter 3 verse 1. And then this one, for everyone. Ito yung favorite ko na hindi ko na memorize kasi mahaba siya. Pero, I'm trying. For everyone who asks, receives. The one who seeks, finds. And to the one who knocks, the door will be opened. Matthew chapter 7 verse 8. And then nandito din, mini version. With God, all things are possible. And then dito naman, sa front page mismo is, the Lord is with you wherever you go. Joshua chapter 1 verse 9. And nandito yung unang kong plan. Ito yung plan ko. Like, ito yung plan ko para dito sa prayer journal. Sunday, family. Monday, myself. Tuesday, friends. Wednesday, gratitude. Thursday, community. Friday, goals. Saturday, forgiveness. Well, hindi ko siya nagagawa. Kasi sa isang araw, I want to talk about everything. Pero like still, may prayer intentions pa rin naman ako. But like, ang funny lang na nag-assign ako. Naglino ko pa siya sa front page. Pero hindi ko siya na-follow. Ang ending, one day, lahat ko na pag-uusapan. And also this one of my favorites then. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and the future. Jeremiah chapter 29 verse 11. Ang cute, no? Hanap tayong entry sa Hope Beyond Borders ko. Let's see. Oh! Well, hindi to sa Hope Beyond Borders ko. Pero ang cute niya, nonetheless. I'm not reading everything. Excerpt lang siya. Since some of this are personal. You created the whole universe for 6 days. You raised your kingdom in 3 days. But you took your time to create me for 9 months. O, diba? That's so cute! Oh my gosh! Wag na nga. Di na ako titingin, guys. Naiyak ako kapag nababasa ko yung entries ko. And some of this is like, may kunikwento ko kay Lord. Na like, parang ganito, ganyan. And then, parang na-realize ko na right now, nasa position ako nun, nung pinag-uusapan ko pa lang kay Lord. Okay, bye-bye. Ano pwede kong dinner to? Magpa-deliver pa na naman ako sa SNR. Maybe, possibly. Sige. And then actually gagamitin ko yung phone para mag-record ng keyboard ko. Kasi like, gusto daw nilang makikita nila lahat. Ay, low-key scared, not gonna lie. Pero, the results will only take 2 days. And then also later, mag-upload pa pala ako ng YouTube, sa Instagram, and then sa TikTok. Mag-edit pa ako. That's fine. I mean, I once prayed for this, so that's okay. Pre-pray muna tayo. Magsasart na sana hotels, pero si Chesed nakasilip sa labas. Nakaupo siya, hinihintay niya ako, di siya nagpa-bark. Ang